Welcome back, friends. In this video, I will show you how to unprotect password forgotten Excel sheet. For example, here in this Excel sheet, this budget plan range is protected with password. So, I cannot modify or delete the values of this range. I cannot even delete the row and columns that aligns with this range. And the major problem here is that the password to unprotect this range is forgotten. So, here I'm going to show you the way to unprotect the sheet in case the password is forgotten. First of all, create a copy of the Excel workbook which you want to unprotect, because if something goes wrong while doing it, you have a backup of the original file. Show the file name extension by clicking on the View option, go to Show, then click on File Name Extension. Change the extension of Excel file to zip and press Enter. Click on Yes, then open the zip folder by double-click. Open the Excel folder. Open the Worksheets folder. Here you will see the list of worksheets in your Excel workbook. Right-click on the protected sheet and click on Cut. Minimize this folder and paste the sheet in Desktop or any other folder. Open this sheet with Notepad. In the Notepad document, locate the word Protection. You can use Find tool for this. After locating the word Protection, select from the first less than symbol before it and till the first greater than symbol after it. Now, delete the selected range. While doing this, you have to be very careful, because if you delete some extra range before and after the less than and greater than symbol, the file may get corrupted. After deleting, save the Notepad file. Now, move the file again in its original location that is inside the Worksheets folder of zipped file. Go back and again change the extension of zipped folder to XLSX. Done. Now the protection is removed from the Excel sheet. Open it and check if the protection is removed. Here you see, there is no more protection in the budget plan range. After watching this trick, were you able to remove the protection? Write it in comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video tutorial.